In this video, I would like to show you two coins that are popping up, and I think these two coins are gonna do well, really well in the next bull run. In fact, they're already pumping. So that's basically the video. That's basically the information I'm trying to bring you today. So first of all, let's start by looking at Bitcoin. As you can see here, obviously in a downtrend, since even in the weekly we broke the weekly support level, and we're actually doing the first movement, second, and the third movement at this moment. Maybe we can have an ABC later on, but for sure we are in a downtrend on the weekly, on the weekly chart. In the monthly chart, we're also in a downtrend, as you can see here. We just broke this support line, 74k, and that is actually confirmed. So that being said, I think that we're close to the bottom, but I'm not here to talk about that fact. What I'm here is to actually show you this pattern that I'm seeing. Look at Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. Look at Bitcoin. Look what Bitcoin is doing. I will actually take away all the drawings. Look at that. That is Bitcoin. And I will change to this coin called Aster. Look what Aster is doing. This is Aster. This is Bitcoin daily chart. This is Aster daily chart. Okay. Now check this out. Once again, this is Bitcoin and this is Hype daily chart. This is Bitcoin. This is Hype. I'm just changing the coin, but actually everything stay the same. Daily chart, same structure, same timeline. But as you can see, they are basically doing a divergence right now. So that being said, as you can see, there's something particular about this divergence we're seeing between these two coins, is that actually not all the coins, even Ethereum, has the same pattern that Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, is basically the same. So Hyperliquid, which is the project, is a decentralized exchange with his coin Hype. And also we have Aster. Aster is actually the same kind of project as Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is a decentralized exchange. Let me show you real quick. Just so we are in the same page. Hyperliquid, as you can see here, is basically this one. Is a really, actually, a really good, really used, I don't know how to say in remember, please bear with me, English is not my first language, but basically what I'm trying to say is that this is a very popular decentralized exchange. That's what I'm trying to say. This is very popular, and lots of volume are traded here every day, every single day. So this is right now the biggest volume, the biggest exchange with the highest volume, not centralized, basically decentralized exchange. And this coin, which is called Hype, okay? The protocol is called Hyperliquid and the coin is Hype. Well, basically, they have their own blockchain, but they are all obviously spread between different chains. I mean, the coin is compatible with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. I believe that they are also compatible with the Solana chain. But basically, what I'm trying to say is that there is a lot of capital, obviously not going into Bitcoin, at least not with the same strength, but someone or a group of people are actually going all in this type of coins. Why do I say this type of coins? Because Hyperliquid is a decentralized exchange, very popular, but Aster is also the same kind of project. So there is a correlation here. because what are the odds that the market, all the crypto market is going down, Bitcoin is going down, Ethereum is going down, basically the two major pairs, sorry, and at the same time, perfect timing, we got Hyperliquid, a decentralized exchange protocol, going up, actually going significantly up. We're talking about that the button was at $20, and the highest he went last week, actually it was $38. So more than $18 of valuation, basically. The coin that's about 82% movement to the going up. And Aster, as you can see, the lower price we had in February 26th, it was 41 cents, and right now we are at 72 cents, basically another 75%, very similar to what Hype did, which it was 86 cents. So they are in the same ballpark. That being said, there's a correlation here, and maybe we're seeing an opportunity to actually hop in pretty early in what type of coins or projects are going to thrive in the next bull run. So it's just an assumption that, I mean, if the market is going down as it is, and we're seeing hype going up, it's okay. Let's say, for example, okay, that's like a isolated event. But what are the odds that the direct competition right now of Hype, which is Aster, another decentralized exchange trying to compete with Hyperliquid, and the Aster decentralized exchange is also is actually backed or is linked to CZ, which is the CEO. I don't know if he already resigned of being a CEO, but basically the CEO that we know from Binance. They are connected. I mean, Binance and Aster is basically trying to be the king of decentralized exchanges of let me put that clear. Perpetual. We're talking about futures, okay, in the decentralized market. So we're seeing Hyperliquid already thriving since 2025, and Aster coming to basically reclaim the throne, but in the Binance Smart Chain. Same kind of project, same public, same business model, and they both are pumping right now. Even with Bitcoin going down, even with Ethereum going down. So let's see, when was the bottom of Bitcoin and when was the bottom of each one of this coin? The bottom of Bitcoin was on February 2026. Okay, the 6th, actually Friday 6th of February was the lowest. I'm sorry, this is Ethereum. Okay, that was the lowest price we can get, which was 59,800 something. So in Ethereum, also the low of Ethereum, it was on February 6th of 2026. What about Aster? Aster actually got the same day as the bottom, but he didn't move like Bitcoin did or Ethereum did, because as you can see, we got another pullback that Aster didn't have. And what about Hyperliquid? Hyperliquid actually is pumping even before the Bitcoin crash, which is amazing. I mean, we're talking about January 21 of January 2026. That was the bottom for Hyperliquid. And the same day in Bitcoin crashed, we're talking about 5 of February. We have this big red candle, 5 of February. And if we go and take a look of Hyperliquid, what was Hyperliquid doing the 5 of February? Let's go and check. 5. Here we have just a pullback, nothing crazy, and we're basically going sideways from there. But before that, we got this upward movement even before Bitcoin crashed as it did. So what actually seems interesting to me about all of this is that it hasn't come down again as Ethereum, for example, and Bitcoin itself. So that pullback, I mean, it pulled back just a little bit because it could actually go back to the same level, and it didn't. Okay, and we're seeing actually rejection in this level, which basically we're basically going into entering into technical analysis here. But basically, we got this resistance in the daily chart. It took it as support, and then right now we actually tested that support again, and it worked. So that being said, just do not ignore these two coins. We're talking about Hyperliquid, and Aster. Let's take a look of those in CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, so you can have an idea of which coins I'm talking about. This one, Hyperliquid, $31 right now. I actually bought it a couple of weeks ago. Actually, I'm pretty happy with my purchase, and that is Hyperliquid. And the other one is Aster. And as you can see, Aster is in this on the spot 39 on the top, basically top 40. Aster is on the top 40. Okay, 39. I believe is gonna continue moving up. As you can see here, basically all this week, for a whole week, we're just moving up and moving up and moving up, no going back, just either a little bit. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but you get what I'm trying to say. So that is Aster. Another thing I would like to bring your attention to is take a look at this page, market cap off. This is a really good application website that we can use to basically compare and do like a projection of what will be the price of an X coin, for example, if it had the market cap of Y coin. So let's do that exercise. For example, Hyperliquid is already in the on the top 12 coins. Okay, on CoinMarketCap. So Hyperliquid hypothetically could actually go above Bitcoin and maybe above Tron, and it can stay between Tron and Solana, I believe. But right now, Hyperliquid has huge potential of actually continue moving up. Let's take a look at Hyperliquid and let's do the math. Here on the A coin, we select Hype. Okay, we got it. And on the second coin, we're gonna assign the market cap of another coin that is on the future spot that you think the coin you're trying to measure could get there. So for example, in this case, let's try to assign the market cap of Solana. Okay, the market cap of Solana. What price will Hype have if it reaches the market cap of Solana? So let's go with Solana. And there we go. We're talking about $208. That will be a 6.65x from now. Okay, so that's the potential we have right there. Another coin, which is Aster. Aster represents a 28x from where it's at right now if it reaches the market cap of Solana. So we are talking about huge opportunity here. Huge opportunity. And actually, this is not like I'm making this up. I'm showing you that these two coins are popping right now. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I hope this video give you some information useful to you. If that is the case, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.